Inaccurate thermostats can lead to a number of problems, including discomfort. If your thermostat isn't reading the temperature correctly, your home could be too hot or too cold, making you and your family uncomfortable. Wasted energy. If your thermostat is calling for heating or cooling when it's not needed, you're wasting energy and money. Higher utility bills. Inaccurate thermostats can lead to higher utility bills, as your HVAC system will be running more than necessary. It's important to regularly check the calibration of your thermostat to ensure it's reading the temperature accurately. Here are some things you can do. Use a separate thermometer. Place a separate thermometer near your thermostat and compare the readings. If they're different by more than a degree or two, your thermostat may need calibration. Consult your thermostat manual. Most thermostats have instructions for calibration in their manuals. These instructions will vary depending on the type of thermostat you have. Call a professional. If you're not comfortable calibrating your thermostat yourself, you can call a professional HVAC technician to do it for you. Here are some additional tips for improving thermostat accuracy. Place your thermostat in a central location. Avoid placing your thermostat near drafts, vents, or direct sunlight. Keep your thermostat clean. Dust and dirt can build up on the thermostat's sensor, affecting its accuracy. Consider a smart thermostat. Smart thermostats can learn your preferences and adjust the temperature automatically, leading to improved comfort and energy efficiency. By taking steps to ensure your thermostat is accurate, you can save money, improve your comfort, and reduce your environmental impact. Thanks for listening. Please check description.